I'm visiting my brother in my hometown. I'll be back very soon.
Hey, Nana. Hey, can I have a moment with you?
I can't wait till I return.
Oh, Nana, I said a moment and I mean a moment. Ade.
Okay, what is it?
It's about your dress. I've never seen it before. In fact, it's nice there. When did you buy it, or is it from Ben?
Echa, what is your problem? I mean, do I have to tell you every little thing I do? So, I can't even have my own privacy in this house anymore.
Hey, Nana. What have I said wrong?
Echa, don't spoil my mood, okay? Fine, Ben bought it for me. Are you satisfied?
Hey, Ben bought it for you. I'm satisfied. That's all I wanted to know. Ma promo to acquire numero. Hey! If you have a poor measure, you know what's over chanting, but wash this, wash that. Ratty. My mistake, promotion with me. Me and the man, me over who cram them the first.
Kumasi Yonkor, and Madame Wow. Asisawa Kwaku do bebreso. Tisabo son kotra ule uso. Iti show ye pa.
Good morning, sister.
Good morning.
I didn't see you yesterday at the meeting. Do you also live here?
Yes, I had traveled, but my husband has told me everything about you.
Oh, and you are married? Yes. Who is your husband?
Ben is my husband.
That taxi driver.
Yes. Anyway, my name is Nana.
Okay. And what do you do for a living?
I do petty trading. But I'm planning to change my line of business very soon. What about you?
Me? Look at me. I just returned from America. As you know, the public refer to us as bogus. And you know, I'm finishing my house very soon. And you know, I'll move out of here.
Oh, you're lucky. As far as we don't have anywhere to go. You're welcome.
Thank you. Anyway, I'll leave you, to finish your cooking.
Okay.
Have a good day.
All right.
Hey, Boga.
No. Oh, no.
Boga, we're too young.
Don't say one day. I want to know. The band message. Me shake a can. I'm a calam. A coffee. Why?
Hey, just say the one who made that say, dear Niana.
Hey, I hope you know.
Oh, quite.
Oh, well,
let me say, Boga. When are you returning to America?
Well, you know, I'm building my own house. It's under construction. As soon as it's done, I'm off.
Yeah, you have a house.
Annie,
lucky you. And why are you living in this poor environment? You know, boogers like you don't have to live in this area.
A chapa, Nancy Wono. Once again, can't you be send me no shame? Sylvia, she. You can't you be send me your boga? Me flat. Me need you. Me yet to see me what Ash Town. Oh, and you know what's now on Sana? Me bug no more your bugger, no more sassressica. A bit is a me of a Twumasi. Oh, Pesica Srancasa. Oh, and the army person me keep be low profile. As a man who say, me no bugger semno. I am the dodo. Oh, me per se, I'm a bant man betnan. Me bomb who would jack. I'm sure Musi. Oh, no, Sasha line. Oh, if we are,
me can so dear. When you act, make a draw.
me a premier bugger on pen who wants them.
Bugger,
On pen who wants them.
Pon was a one pound. And Kayanums are the only betna side. Na America. I'm fine now, Bruno Bennett now.
And China and we knew come on, can't you? Miss Nami woman now cook.
Ye Monaco. Ah, nothing Monaco, dear France, Monaco. I want them sister penny.
And China. Wouldn't say Monaco, a yemu. Mamma can't you? It's said, dear, so in Confronting. Baku Ashanti Regina. Baku so you still know.
Sir,
Annie, it would up our sister press when my dear Uncle Sugar cry. Busano, some Monaco, you know. Why? I don't know.
oh, not so you ma. I didn't know be standing at you. Sister, I know to know Pogas or going any Monaco.
You know, I would have cut into what down.
Toka sebenkum eya shenifa. Diabonin to me so abapa. Debiarada. Opede. Woman angel. Nia wo. Do our man.
Our penny Brennan. Why busy and no pay? Hey, Nana. Could you spare me a few minutes of your time?
I hope it's in the line.
Oh, not at all. Nana, may I know if I have offended you in any way?
Acha, why this question?
Of late, you don't talk to me. You only greet me. Have I done something wrong?
My dear, don't worry your head. You've done nothing wrong.
No. In fact, I don't feel comfortable around you. The other day, I asked you about your dress and you made me look stupid.
Don't let me feel bad. If I have treated you bad in any way, it wasn't intentional. It's just that I want to keep certain things to myself, that's all.
Nana, you know between you and I there are no secrets. Who can't shame them so much can't you? I don't know this. Me one am can't you?
I know. But you know that's not good enough. We should have our limits, you know. But between you and I, there are no secrets.
So are we know there are no secrets.
Kumasi Yonkor Mcbrown and ADOM. Asisa wa Kwaku do bebreso. Tisabu som kutra uni muso.
Hey.
Chan, wash the clothes for me. I'm going to the stadium to watch a football match.
Excuse me, ladies. Let me soak them and wash them later on, okay?
Echa, hold on. Why do Ghanaian men entertain this primitive act? How on earth do they expect somebody to wash their clothes for them?
But she's not somebody.
That is where you are wrong.
Please, she's his wife.
That is where you are wrong. Is the wife supposed to be a maid?
Now, Boga Sylvia, who does your husband's washings?
Washing machine.
Washing machine. That is what you use for your washing.
Washing machine, of course. Listen, Echa, tell your husband to buy a washing machine for you. Yes, I won't send you now, best say you. Show us. Oba who come pa with the wash. Now do say senior mercy. Land in any say you. When I say I can compare washing machine with bro.
Yeah, late. Yeah, late. Baby, mama now.
Me try.
Are you worried like that?
Mamenka. Simbu why so waka.
See them how they go from one to another, looking so harmless as a dove. Their advice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa. Their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have.
Why? Is it anything about Nana?
Oh, no. No, it's about myself.
Why? Do you need any help?
Not really. I want you to talk to Collins for me. Sometimes he treats me like a maid and I don't like that.
What really has he done?
If my husband wants me to do something for him, can't he call me aside to tell me? It's embarrassing.
Echa, Nyamutre, you have your peace. I will make an appeal to him when he comes back. Okay? I think it will be all right.
And you, Ben, where if you? You used to call me sister. Because mama a big fish. Oda shark. Oda bones won't do frame me a child. Respect swat.
Sister Chan. Sister Chan. Sister.
I'm from sister. Me ye free.
Me fraud. Sister Chan.
See Yonkor and Yonkor pa. Their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for what you have. Soon as you fall, you go sabi say, what are they carrying? Round about. See them how they go from one to another, looking so harmless as a dog. They are by so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa. Their words are smoother than oil.
Ben. Good day.
My brother, you're welcome.
Thank you. You seem to be home early today.
Let me see. And then I decided to take the rest of the day off.
Oh, I see. All right then.
Collins. Oh, really? Some few minutes. That's nice. Yeah, that's nice.
Oh, okay. Why? Are you in any kind of problem?
Well, not really. It's not about me. It's about your wife, Echan.
Has she insulted you?
Oh, no. We're quite a man, can I say? Or you are trying to bear me, say, I should talk to you on her behalf.
About what?
In short, she said she would prefer you talk to her about certain things in private, not in front of her friends. So, what today me patch us?
Yeah. No problem. But Ben, anyway, thank you very much. But my main cancer, Michelle. Say, a mile away, one more motia. So, who can be fast? Obey young woman. I want to say, Bafra. So, one Tiana, or be proud to say, Poto. A mother, and so judge our home. So, any more, or bar, and then what in the hanky mount said, Nessie Mammy. Watch now, then it draws over mouse. About don't cry, Nissa, we know. She, what the Sana, obey our fan by Crassini, Dufias and wine. But I didn't know any answer, and one and Namoso. About the woman Pesao, woman 1 yard, Obeko bet 10 miles. Bema dear, Ujaja or but you enough a woosin in Yama. When you obey your toll again, obey your toll again. So, cry out on the fossil. Oh, no, what to do. We are the dross in our mercy. Internet, who are about the Osaka Gananka. Intino, you know, ye, no mind, you said you do here. Have I been treating you bad in this house?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then, what did you tell Ben? Is he your spokesman? Is he your spokesman?
No.
Tell me, is he your lawyer? Is he your lawyer? Then, you have turned yourself into FM in this room, and you make sure you announce everything that goes on in this room to the outside world. Is that what you're doing? Is that the training I've been giving you in this room? Is that the training I've been giving you? Is that the training that I've been giving you? Huh? Is that the training I've given you? Get up here. Is that the training that I've been giving you? Huh? Now, listen, and listen carefully. If you don't like the way I treat you in this room, better pack your things and leave before I kill you.
Kumasi Yonkor Mcbrown, Oyanu Soto, Nansu Oto, Nyawo Fancho, Tima Wani na Woye, Enye Sawu Beshi Asitim, Uniri Asibeye level ground.
Ama wenisu ebri.
So you have to find some money to pay them. What did I make on? They life no. Huh?
Where am I gonna get this money from? I've done whatever I can to raise the money. But
what? Huh? But what? Look, Sylvia. No matter what the situation, the condition you are in now, you have to find someone to pay them. What did I make on? There's some phone no. Huh? Obvious damn what you're feeling now. Now what says can cruise can you would do this kind? I didn't know this kind here. What do you do with that money?
I don't wanna talk about it. I gave it to my boyfriend and he duped me.
Sylvia! So you mean you gave the money to Josh? That good for nothing guy. My God. Sylvia, you're very stupid. The boy here come home one. Huh? No go kuska kesi say my boy no or the good maso. What's the trouble? Look at you. Starving in this room. You're down with him. Fan crabin see them ha. Fan crabin them ha. Huh? Let me tell you, if you don't find some money to pay them, I will direct everybody to this place. What did I make on? What did I make on? So if say, what I cannot be. What's what I would do no sir? They go swing at it. I will be with the battle. And that's what them come down. Fucking girl. Tell them no kind of what I make at home. And the jail grab was a man break. crown, many new crowd. That crown was animal, many new.
Who is that man? He looks very angry. Any problem?
He's angry because his sister promised to send him some money. That's why.
Yeah. Maybe he needs that money badly.
I know. I told him I'll try and call the sister. Or I'll try and, get him some money for him. So. And I will so.
You have to. Then I think you have to. Because I can't know what, Papa. Please do help.
We may try and now Becky can send to say the Mena, Sikan, Mena, the person come and send them now. Obi Chemwa. Oh, Becca say, now, Baba,
I will be Chemwa Becca's order in the camp.
Sound. If you make baby, I'm no, I'm happy.
Wait a baby man away there. And you was said I could have you. Boga, you don't know where Debbie, Mammy Chishima. Oh, Debbie. And for
don't worry. It's exercise for me. I'm trying to lose weight, No.
I didn't wait. Madam, hey, mention the whole burger like you now. Would not got to know what you say,
Echa, unma the quinty I may as I do. Say I brought you honor. When you do. Oh, you be a honor. Oh, coming young photographer be crown coach, a man coach, and a photo. You can't make your coach, bro.
Oh, Debbie, and for Tao. I said, hey, tell me a bedroom to be a canaminama. The boga said the man down when she has a enemy was you. Inside the crown come up in Amma. Share. No one say over sniff. Yes, I said, me do to me who cry, wouldn't manka. What was salute to me cry? Wouldn't so be any seminary. Eh, Macro be some sister favorite, and I'm sister Banna. Let's say if you're afraid of Boga for fee. Hey, Boga for fee.
I'm in Chialcana.
Oh, there be other.
No, someone said Mr. Caddy.
Jai. I brought you for the mobile, so I so much. Said you and your money. What? It's not say. Okay, Mammy going. Oh, it's not. So, which more is a bug and a tear chanting? Hey, no one an area in your fear, count. Boga, oh, it's not say. Boga, so be a man, and for Tao. I don't know about him. Oh, man, similar cheer, the animal. Hey, wouldn't we yo? May I down. Wouldn't we ever find? The cruise to be other friend. What it? Wouldn't we cheap, Papa? One at you. One near them right. So don't say you're done area. It's a me chumwire. Bogan, you're never going to go.
Guess what?
A damn guess. Well, by 10 times,
where are the kids?
No, Diana, oh, could you have? We see car the two and one Diana and I beg Diana.
Anyway, today I'm in a good mood, so I don't want any fight. I have a surprise for you. Have I talked about chop money?
Yes, I am a resident. I'm
serious. Look, I said I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes.
Surprise.
Ta-na-na. Open your eyes now. Oh, let me take you a picture. Oh. It's a camera phone. Let me take you.
Oh, yeah, tell me.
Now, No, the smile is too big. Reduce it. We cry. We know by any other way. Me careful to waste away and talk. Smile. Isn't it beautiful?
It's nice. Share a mirror. Share you can. Another me cry romantic.
What are you talking about?
Huh? Thank you so much. Thank you. You're a darling today. In fact, I'll give you the food.
Oh, okay. But I don't understand. Why are you thanking me?
Surprise! I don't know if I say. What are they bring me?
Oh, cha. Look, this is my phone. It is not for you. Why aren't you happy for me that I bought a mobile phone?
No, not surprised now. Can anything? Me for phone, me for mount, me for phone.
Okay. She said, "Oh, the engineer, you the mawa now come 1 mile." She said, "Mato phone no, ayo ya say, man farmer na me use unyasa." Hey, ya no, mo dem woni chiri pentua, ade papa bia no, emfa mo fichire, enyasa. Fabra. Nsa na we wa bedi hu bro, fama me. Fabra.
Na de ntida kokora untimi nye romantic kwa bakokora.
Diabetic. Many utifia o say use mobile phone. Me ma use mobile phone na o be use mobile phone. They say oba mo ni agya ma me say banya phone o ya. Na oba ne be ma hwa na say use mobile phone.
Who say mood?
Who be friend?
Oh, jawasem. Who say mood pa?
Ja.
A dear romantic. We are do fruit pe wo aduane me ma wo. Aduane kora bia ni wo. Semu apa. Mobile phone nkwa na ni surprise o ma me ho ya me da. Papa. It's one for scan to you. Huh?
I told you I don't have money. What do you expect me to do?
Hey, if you're paying for Bonini.
My first scan to walk into the
One first scan into wow, huh? I don't even have one peso on me. How do you expect us to eat?
And I told you I don't even have a peso on me. Where do you expect me to get the money from?
If you don't have money on you, where did you get the money to buy the phone yesterday?
Are you talking to me?
I am talking to you.
Look, who dance my catch us a wusro. Ote. Don't disturb me this morning. I told you I don't have any money on me. Why are you disturbing me? We are all fasting today.
Nobody's fine. Yeah. If we are fasting today, what about the kids?
You, me, the kids, we are all fasting. Fasting is good for the soul.
Hey, if you're papa. Who were first to Banoni crowd bien?
Are you talking to me? No. You come out again. I know to fear this.
We never want to our food say. What we now we forgot I can do. One man crowd be.
I'll come and meet you in the evening.
Oh! And then you have back home. I have back home. Who never want to be a gentleman? And who be your day? I am going to say, I dare the cobo war. Oh, to me, who do I have to me? Doing me about the hammer on Panaso. Ube, what that? Who set Father Christmas? Ade, I can't come to no so dear. Me am in the best of
Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa. The words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold, 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 gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for what you have. Soon as you fall, you go sabi say, what are they carry you round about?
Echa, are you okay? What's wrong today? I saw your husband very angry before he left for work today. Echa, won't you mind me?
Sister Sylvia, I'm fed up. I am fed up with this marriage.
Why? Is Colin beating you up today?
Do I have to beg Collins for housekeeping money?
Echa, so you are telling me Colin is not responsible man at all?
Sister Sylvia, the least said about it, the better. Collins is asking his children to fast. And you call this person responsible?
Maybe he doesn't have money.
Sister Sylvia, don't defend him. If he doesn't have money, where did he get the money to buy a phone yesterday? But me, I have my plans.
And Tia, we see a Collins and Moa Conhoma, Tana walk away. And where Jawesi was a wound, Adriane, and Menindi. A child then was saying, sir. Ah, Bembo in a fuka cracker, we close Brabant or bar. Who say where did you become a fusu already? What's saying? Sankayamia, and can you Kobe you one or other? You men Pedriani be and sin what? Perchance in one of them said, why Adrian to a ban of a fair dear. No cat is in Koboa from Homa, and can be a dear man Watton. Hey, a 10-year-old bro. Once you are back, my comment is so, when it's so, who grab off for her neck? No one didn't quite as a much. A time come in a while, Mr. John in a court. Because they the whole bone so, who been now be papa, Wosika. No funu from Kaka. What show? Ah. Also, I know see I know Conu or no drink as a electricity bill can no no. Yes, I dear who here no con with Fiasi. Ah. A town pie, our railway dear. Sorry, no co. And I'm in Cobo, mammy, money.
Baby.
To me, far to also. So, catch a wish, social form. So, Casabenkum, I actually found. You're born to me, so, Abapa.
Mommy, I don't like the way Collins treats me of late. And you know my mother is not here. That is why I've come to tell you. Oh, now, Mommy, be pass and Pepe catch your Collins.
Echa, here. Any quine say, would this any maniamano? A year way. Our real quine one tiniest friend our real. What you say? And yet, then you know, now quite rima, Ubenya dead. A do baby Albaniano dead, do baby Sabaniano, then you know, quatin. It was a winyabo today. Not the BBA should be shredded. Our real some dear, young fountain if ye be bree. And you saw Koyaka be big to be an idea, can be fiabe by money. Young Quawariesa, our real to Sebepo, oh, for now, Sunny. It be any yabotre. Unu baby, was it a seer or paba our real Musa? Yabotre. What did they make catch alone?
Mammy, you should see the way Colin treats your daughter. It's very bad. I've been in the house with them for a few months. Ah, and then what did you pull up? Bono do us or banner crowd bank was some.
A rabba. Men cuss us no fancy me or hasi. Men cuss us no. Yonko papa will know Yonkor nam. Nessa be been and a hana. Ube tunefono, ubunabem. One gasa would you know?
I'm Wokunu. Mukuru ye bruni or America. Me want him in booming the way I call him a bonnet son. I ain't too much a crying to know.
Ube 24 pa. Nejania watching on. Bra. Where ye friend Yonkor? Huh? Many way them in Peninsula in the Bediagro. When you're Yonkor and any nanty. What? Now Yonkor want him into full carry angel. A dear no. Huh?
Mommy, is she not saying the truth? Huh? Oh. Is she not speaking the truth? You should see her calling straight to me in the house.
What did you mean? That's a was so near your pool, but near two for I will quite be brave. Huh?
What she's telling you is not a lie. You have to listen to her. You do know what I go through in the house.
Mamma can't show. Kumasi Yonkor, and your Yonkor. May can't show. When you know, 2 big shot. Well, young one, dear pet, Asa. And what day on the Bemwa, be beer bedadine. Oh, none of my frame me. I catch him as Alice, a brainy scargra. It won't so pay Biaka on the other. Near ye be beer, my nephew. Yabutre, it didn't make a choice. Say, Abutre, any other worry.
Mammy, Abutre, look at this. Do I have to beg Collins for housekeeping money? Sika, me the year, Diana money be a pojano, just some panicho. Me the year, Diana ma will know my edino so. Do I have to beg him? Me mean to me, oh,
Abutre. Our rear bunkum Jennifer, and if I saw Jabunkum. And near Adam Fuechi, Nanti, you'll be back and show be our warrior and sat in your pet. Uncle from we are no, near why, while I did be or they worry, and war to us. Let us a near fatan away.
Kumasi Yonkor Nyakra, Oyanu Sodo, Nansu Otao, Onyawo Fancho, and Tima Weni na hoye, and yes, I will bet she
Oh Lord, what am I going to eat today? Where am I going to get the money to pay the electricity bill before the close of the day? Nah, I'm going to busi. Busi inzu na mi ba mi nje. Wakani dini sika be mami bi. Na I'm going to say na be mami bi. Jana na de. Ibi ame de mami fa no ho. Obe mami bi.
Nana. Oh, can you do me a small favor?
How?
I gave my sister some dollars yesterday to go and change it for me. And she hasn't shown up yet. And I just have to pay my workers.
So how much do you need?
Only 4 million cedis. Nana, please. 4 million cedis.
Hey. I can't get 4 million. But I can manage to raise 1 million if you wouldn't mind.
1 million. $1 million per day. Many, sir.
Okay. Okay, come on. This is 1 million. Yeah.
1 million to so.
See, I don't have money. This is all I have. Even this one is my husband's. Please, manage it.
1 million.
I don't have any money.
Baby.
It's all the money I've left.
I'll manage it anyway. That's right.
That's all right.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good. Ifira, how much is the electricity bill?
Yes, yours is 43,500.
43,000 pay. Pierre.
Boga, this is scare Bruce be brave.
Oh, meaning. Fato. Oh, etibusumi bia so a. Na de wuti film. Ti ya besa. E ma ni so. E ya besa. No mehu. Why fear? On say mu ye bogus ne de. Ye tua bibia, ye tua in advance. So. Into the next month. Yes, wuti film. Yes, I feel na madana oh. May have me nap bi no. Na bebo punuma disturb me say de bia na o ha calling no. Why? To the man ho. Why?
Boga no.
If you're right.
Nipa say na mpese mo betra me fio. Ni nipa biti sa calling sa. De bia wane me kun sky be ho ntokoi.
That's one dey wanya ba mu. Onu de bia no ne yire e cha. O mako me hu bi krada. Me ka me kunu no a. Ananka America. Kama bone na ba kokra ma. O na ma no o wo so na.
Oh, na hanya America.
Sometimes now the America life ni bia a be fraka.
Boga no.
If you're right. Any me ko.
You.
Manu ho.
You.
Hey.
Boga. Shit. Hey, na nanti bia was nanti kam.
55,000 cedis for just 1 month? Why do we operate mail in this house? Huh? Or do we operate mail in this room? Or do we have the whole vacuum situated in this room? This man, no, I have to see the original bill. I can't just... How?
Collins, 55,000 is not too much.
Oh, shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up. If 55,000 is not much, why didn't you go and pay it yourself? Do you know what 55,000 can do? Look. I have to go and see the landlord myself. Good evening.
Good evening.
Why do I have to pay 55,000 cedis for last month's bill alone?
Collins, you know that electricity tariffs have gone up, don't you?
But to pay 55,000 cedis for 1 month there, Efira, please, it's too much. Oh. You have to do something about it.
Collins, there's nothing I can do about it. Why do you always argue over bills?
Yes, it's because you always escalate it.
Collins, I am not a cheat. You know I have no control over the bills. See, if you don't have money, just let me know.
I have money, but I won't allow you to cheat me. It's as simple as that.
Oh, Bemana, akasa bebre emfatao na jai. She Sylvia obabesia kwa wo tuane dia ma broso.
En fa sa ba yo na o muhwe na sem bia mem. So no dollars no hu de on fanya. May I know what to do with my money? Please. This is just your room. Bring the bill. Let us all check it.
Me say me infa electricity be bia nchiro. Now per 2.
E dey asem na woni ye kan. Electricity asem no enya wo asem. E ya ban asem. Nti e ba se o jama ye na ye ni aye che ya de. Se nya kululu na wo ya, aha ne wo dem kwan be na wa. Wontimi fa bill ne ma na ye nyina ye hwe. Se sa na se metua, metua.
Hwe. Se wo electricity bill ahwa. Kone kusi udan wati.
Enye se wo de fiewura asem bia be hunu hunu ami o. Na me because some hu bill na enya de ametua ka prekra. Ji se nyina ate ha na electricity fo be dum no. On dum aye nyina ye nkɔ ne nkɔ kan ya no asem.
Wo de se e.
Enye se afa buffalo fo.
Wo de se e. Benkata chi de bia na wo ku bills. Ale. Eba wo ba be se akra be nya wo yi.
Nana, did you witness Collins arguing with the landlord?
No.
I saw him arguing with the landlord because of the electricity bill.
But that is his right, isn't it?
Electricity bill so the be ma de wan be jira mu za na anye dey. Say gre kan yire adwuma. 55,000 cedis painting no. Only landlord ko akoho, ekoko ho. Ezo yes ade ano anya ade. No ya ye be ma kotobonku.
Hey, Sister Sylvia. Well, that is his business. Me, I don't meddle in people's affairs, okay?
But see you na na tifi antie say me be catch on ehwe ne bibi.
I don't meddle in people's business. If you'll excuse me, I have something doing.
Na wo so ya ko. Kwai. Okotia sane be ka chema na mu ye mo ho e yu pese obeti. Ko na mi tibi ma asema be ka chewa.
See them how they go from one to another, looking so harmless as a dove. Their voice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. Kumasi Yonkor and Yonkor pa.
Acha, wash the trainers for me. I'm taking it to Mcbrown tomorrow, so wash it now so that I can take it tomorrow. I'll be back.
Excuse me, Mr. Collins.
What can I do for you?
Why do you African men want your wives to do everything for you?
It's because they are our wives.
It's your wife, your slave.
Okay. Who more they are? Huh? And I don't feel some collaboration now. But I just say, "Moyo obiama."
Sister Sylvia, it's okay. It's my responsibility.
It's okay. African woman, wake up from your slumbers. Are you his slave? It has been never done in America. My white husband do everything for me.
And you know, it's because those guys are fools.
Fools.
And you marry them. They don't marry you, but here we marry them. So please don't get me annoyed.
Nah, I sorry.
What's what that's what you want? And mommy to shower in this water. What the mammy man and papa no way over who them the bayo. And you all you know is playing Ludo in the house and spoiling their minds.
Yeah, boy, you know, say no.
Look at her. Who does it now?
Brian Twasso no ko. Who be ode? Ye dru baby agro na ye den na o baba be see. Mr. Colin, what can I do for you?
Please, don't be angry. I need your help.
What sort of help?
You see, I want you to take me to America.
America? Are you sure?
I'm damn serious. You see, I've been doing everything I can to improve upon my life, but nothing seems to work.
Colin, don't worry.
Serious?
Yeah, because you know, I know how Ghana is. Life in Ghana is too hard to live in. Oh. I've been in and I know, you know. Well, you know, you can't stay here to take care of your wife and your kids. Don't worry, I'll help you. But, Uska.
See, just a little, not enough. That is why I want you to help me.
Colin, Mcbrown.
Thank you.
But you also need to try and gather some money, you know, so I can use the little that I have to support you. Because ukobana unamni yo boga na utira dasane yo de. So na obenye you know nyeme. Timisewa pekakra. Na de mesumu wo no. Na me de aboa. Why? So what I'll do, I'll think about it. Why? Na me nwe ho. Ti anwumire. Anwumire we. Bra e cha da. Afa ho abana. My head there me could do it. Why?
All right. No problem.
Thank
you very much.
Antimecho. Akwa we pa o pa brocha ko. Na nka me ye connection woman a. Ka me ame nko. Na me go brocha ko ame hu oda. Na me nko brocha o. Onu de opebi akọ. Na airport go azen ka me nimu ho a. Ka me ni Kenya. Iye fiafo de he mu jimidi. If you're a boom one, my tooth, you know, and send me cop, Mrs. Showbugger beer, oh, say I won't say. Now, dear, first you see can be back home. But the very menum, you may name a body. Yanko, Jimmy, do ya boopy. Aqua, what a fabra. Why, you don't work.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Colin. Please take a seat. Oh, okay. Mr. Colin, what can I get for you to drink?
Oh, nothing.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes, I'm sure.
What can I do for you?
Well, I came in connection with the request I made the last time.
You know what? I have thought about it, but there's a sacrifice that you need to make.
Please, you really need to look at my condition and help me. I really need to go to America. Please.
You know, I was planning to take my brother to abroad. But because of your request, I dropped him, for you.
Serious? Oh, God will bless you. And He will continue to bless you until you are blessed.
Oh, come on. Mr. Colin, I want you to make me a promise.
Oh, I promise.
You don't even know the condition and you have made a promise.
Look, with America, I don't need to know the condition.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, the condition is just simple. I don't want you, telling anybody, not even your wife, about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Kumasi Yonkor nyakra, oyanu sodo, nansu otao, onyawo fancho, intima weni na hoye, enyesawo beshi asi.
So, how did you manage to get a taxi home?
Nana, Ghana is hell. I couldn't believe it. 16 kilometers from Kumasi. Hey, Ekwano, Nana. Two. America, America. Ekwano, me and Sandra. Na me and Sandra. Then I'm to say, she. That's what say, Anne, what to come? Ghana, dear, more brave, papa. Hey.
So, did you come by trotro? Because I believe no taxi will ply that.
Me trotro. I managed to get this AGYA taxi. And I paid him 150,000.
150,000 what?
150,000 cedis.
Sister Sylvia, that was too much.
150,000 is too much. Well, the taxi driver, I feel so sorry for him. He couldn't even offer to buy himself a food or for his family. So, I thought I'll give him some tip to take care of himself and some for the family. And anyway, this reminds me, your husband is a taxi driver, isn't he?
Yes.
So how does he, take care of you and take care of himself? How can he afford with this taxi driver business?
Oh, I'm okay.
Nana, I'm not talking about just okay. Look at yourself, a nice lady like you. You need a nice man, a nice man who can provide you. You need a car for yourself, a private car, so you can drive around, feel good. Taxi driver.
But, Sister Sylvia, I'm doing fine. I appreciate everything my husband has been doing for me. I'm all right.
Okay. Well, think about it. I can hook you up with, a rich man who can help you out with all these things that you need. Even a nice car for yourself. Change your journal. Think about it.
Brains, if you don't close the window, it will just spray
I've been hearing some rumors about you.
Rumors about me? What is it about?
Well, should I call it rumors? No. If a reliable source told you something, that's not rumors, is it?
Look, Sylvia, tell me, what did my wife tell you?
Is that true that you're not formally married to your wife?
If she's not my wife, why do you refer to her as my wife?
Well, I'm not the one who is saying it. It's your mother-in-law.
You mean my mother-in-law told you this? What does this woman want from me at all?
Corey, is that true?
Look, it is never true. I wonder why that woman keep on spreading false information about me. Anyway, I don't blame her. I blame her brother. But your time will come.
Don't worry about it.
Hey. It's exceptional. Come on.
Thank you. My dear. You know, God has blessed us. And things are moving on smoothly for us. So, what prevents us from getting married?
I can't smooth. Banana, I want to consolidate our future. But some timid men I see. You know, at least me am to me taxi. So, I colonize it. You've been be careful from one.
Please, don't disappoint me.
Nana, you mean Nana? Weighing in energy. A babaso. Cross my heart.
I hear. Do you want more? Sister Sylvia, why did you say you live in America?
Manchester. Why? Are you surprised?
Manchester.
Ish. Why? Are you surprised?
Manchester. Didn't you say you lived in Monaco the last time?
Yeah, I said I live in Monaco, but you didn't get me. Before I came to Ghana, I moved to Manchester. Just to get the feeling of it.
Do you know this football club, Manchester United?
Yeah.
Isn't Manchester in the United Kingdom?
Now, who wouldn't know what to come on? Wouldn't you say, Eddie Manchester? There was small one, small one, America. Some I got to make me a fool. I want a minute here. Nanya Manchester United now, so soon. Ghana ni no market and Obama.
Yay! Manchester. Michaelasian.
Oh, Ghana no.
And you know about Chelsea no. Then I also about Manchester.
Who's there? Who say won't share newspaper? Wajai da cra. Oja cra na me move to Manchester honum. Enti say wo wuti fia no. Unu kru taxi driver ni nyina, mu read newspaper. Na mote asa na ade achem. Wajai che wo de onima ho. Se ne, ukru kra so onimo ba fon. Anka obi anka wo frɛ no. Se wo ba on to newspaper man because enu na we news 20 for sure no. E be wo newspaper man sa aka ho.
We are seeing who.
E ma ni nyohu. Why? E ma ni nyohu.
Enti wo say my collection wajai on board Chelsea.
Wajai kwanta me ko Manchester hono. Aka kwetena hono. Ehwe yemu ade no why. Na wo wiwi a na makodem ho, medem ho. Na makoyi picture bia be kire wa. Me gina ho me se da ma on ya tro America wo soro. Ana Manchester so wo form. Ma take photo. Because me baby am edru bia even kwa mo no kokura me take photo. Baby am wo photos.
Enti Manchester ni America ni.
Debi America na ye kuro no. Ana Manchester eye ekura bia se ekura keto eze nipa bebre nim ho. Nipa bebre nim ho. Na ye na ye ni ate kakra no. Ye ni enim ho. Eish. Who the hwasome am ayi ni ewia me akodi abecho picture no. Why? Me kura he, ma me kan san ba koncho. Ofre me. Ma kesi, ofre me se me mra me di weekend. But on ze me no, ma ye tight. Me nya time. Me nioma binti. Me nioma binti no. Me nya time mako. Kura he so opa me sister bi and madam fi bi actually. Only some boy no kura na epi anu anwumre na ye go phone so na ye twa talks. She na wo me kan asem a wunyi ni ka be duo nu pa. We so ofre me a ne so wa ha me ma ne na kasa no hu sa ase na me ka no me moa ma ne nyo hu wo de o he ma me kan se ni jo nka ncho bi wa o twa me na no say obetwa ticket ama me me Sylvia me akodi just weekend we nye say 1 week bi o just weekend o be kwa na so pa embo kuna mani o na ye nya no kuna ye ntwa ticket ma ye nyina ne yenko na abu eni oba nka be du onumu he mi wo photos grow se mi we ya you ya o wi ya na akoyi acho na ohu se me makohoda
But we dey me
o wi na makoyi abekiro Colin.
Yeah, who is it?
I am here.
No, she went to the market. Why? Anything the matter?
Who is Alex in Holland?
Alex. Oh, yes.
So who is she to you?
Alice is my sister-in-law, a Chinese sister.
Oh, so I'm not seeing a yampa.
Asambeng.
Colin. Yeah, I'm telling you what, baby. Say, Chinese sister. Edisika bro. Say, Fakoye no one day. Na Kromu na say Ghana. Bema na you ba one day na say oba na you one day. Anyway, then ka. Who bet you? Who do be me from them?
You. But where did you get this information from?
Colin, your mother-in-law, of course. I think you know, Colin. She doesn't like you.
You mean it is my mother-in-law who has been spreading all these informations about me?
It's been going around everywhere. Wakamu baby ya unama. Udonama ya tewasuniti.
So it's my mother-in-law who has been spreading all these informations about me. All right. Thank you very much for telling me this. But I will definitely look into this. Maybe shame.
Miss Shem Nenso, who is Shemayana to Bumomidio? Why?
Kumasi Yonkor and Madame Wow. Asisa wa huwa kwa hudobe breso. Tisabu sonkotra ule uso. Itisho.
We American ni kwa mi hu se bi da ko mu da.
We me na na gudie bi odi chia me. Hwe. Nzefe pa.
Come on.
Sa. Mama tu.
Acha. Ujidi pa se ababa we ya what ye friend say Silvio se wan wan. E de na chese wakwa abrochiri. Me de minje ni se wakwa abrochiri abo.
Anu bokiti. Ana hu bibi apesa okan. I don't know to me you because I want na abrochiri anko so atena abrochiri. Me dem gidi so atena abrochiri. I don't know chese Silvio atena abrochiri. Hwe ababa we hwe se do si hye ne ntade efa. Hwe se do si kasa. Broni be say accent hwe okasa na hwema di akire.
Hwema
oh jai.
Frama ni asaka san yesua okroma ya. Kasa we se obi ntimi nsua kasa yin kan wa.
Usua ntimi nkata se de oka no.
Hwe ababa wa wo so ofia brochira ba. Katin simpo bi nsa ne da no. Wokwa ne de ma. Hwe ni ho. Na menu mi na yete akura ya hu yasene no.
E de no ka kiro.
Wo so wo kan asam ne ade a chena ne refi asam kro kan.
O kan wante. O se ne container eba ubehu curtains different color ebi kura no ama ebi ni asesan ya die uba benefit anya de san no anasa
echa he bibi yo na baba wa we yate ha no de 9 adane 6 why
o de dania me butu
she
tie ayo ya na
eda no me nu mienu na nam no se wo firi Monaco na no wote na wabetena ma afi do sa Manchester ebi wa America asem we sei abrantie ya obobol ya e frɛ no Philip Essien yo se Michael Essien yo se wan mi akasa minim se abrantie obo Chelsea ada no mi bisa na wose abrantie ne boy de ben wa America Monaco Manchester nsem won na
kan wanu tum again into wunim nyansa wajimi we krase ni papa wonne me ya nim se yen konkranda emfru kan konkranda ofri Monaco unimo wo hwe ha ya hanoma ye wo koforidia wa wo ko esteriji koforidia ni ho it is a Manchester or USA na ebisa wo UK ono wo se ye kraketekete we ampa
hwe efiti da na me ne kasa ya me hu ntɔ me da me sunsun kasa chem sa baba wa no wo dada yo
fi kasa wo fie be se obi emfra broche ma da ntu hu se de mu emfra hu ne ye no
cha
me hu mete adan wo da na nimfa bon nke kan taxi driver for asama no na champion when do kan obi abejede na football da na nimfa football
cha ye hwa na baba wo ya amfa nan anda ne ye sesi ofia ha wo
de da ne sesi amebutu ne nya no ko wanu tu African soft drink. Bakare. Muduro. Anyade. Jai. Amane penso munya. Ubenya. Na. Boga. Why are you not on phone?
Echa. You know I came to Ghana to rest. And I don't want any phone calls to disturb me. All the phones that I bought, I gave it to my sister and her friends. That's why.
Hey, Boga no say ka pass me ba.
Next time, next year maybe why?
So, which type of phones did you bring?
I bought Nokia D3 and Siemens D500. In fact, it was a lot of them.
Sylvia, V3 is the Motorola model, and there is no Siemens D500, but rather Samsung D500. Yes.
Actually, when I think it was launched, I think last June.
Hey. Sylvia, please don't lie. My boyfriend deals in mobile phones, and there is no phones like what you just mentioned. Yes.
Hey, Rita. Rita!
What?
She's talking about the very latest one, the very latest phone launch this June.
Hey, Sylvia, Don't forget, my boyfriend also imports phones from Dubai, so I know phones well. There is no phones like what she's saying.
Rita. Who ya, Papa? Rita, what's your boyfriend? I'm going for phones in the free. I'll go for free Dubai. Yeah, American phone. Yeah, used to phones. I'm on a chummer. And son China phone. On my baby too. How much you be connect Dubai for a Siena cano? Not Dubai for after. Oh, boyfriend, could you crowd? Uncle Papa in free Dubai, yeah. But every America for honor, and will be important because you are nice on this way. We are can't Dubai. Oh, boyfriend, I've been on start to talk. Americano. But I am in Pelham side and watching. Don't mind them. But I'm for them, yeah, Judy. Hey,
don't mind them. My latest burger. Fresh one. Bruh, what to buy?
Donna, on my way. Can I get the money I asked you to give me?
My dear, I've added the money to my capital. Eh? Please, give me some time. I'll refine it for you.
I needed to buy new ties next week.
I know.
I really need it.
I know. But please.
You don't worry, okay? I'm off to work. I'll see you in the evening, alright?
Have a nice day.
Hey,
Aso.
Nani amuta huni. Yeah. Hey. Wala mu biya ya na mo koda.
What pay you? Yes, sir.
Me sa wo mu a.
Me sa ka ma.
Ma ya me hu biya na.
Mama me no mo.
Oh, nso de ye.
Hey, Mommy, Akwaba.
Yeah,
Aso Akwaba.
Yeah, Mira.
Na to Mommy paying candy.
Oh, na ho ye. No akra no frɛ. Oso chia mu nyina.
Me dine so.
Je say the why abre wa boga o.
Enya sam ketewa.
Yo, ene baby sakwan so.
Yo, e de boko. Enro ana Mary frɛ me. Na em say nkomo na yedi ye no. Afi na ode say aye ready ode atum. Enti no na memra mebisa na je wada roma. She time a yemfa enye aware no ho ntotoe. Enti no me ba betie date ya obde be hye yen na ye hunu se na ebisi aye no.
Oh.
Sasampa.
Enti sense mo ametiti nyina na ye no kre.
Aseme.
Edakoi mu nyina aseme. Masi ena disika fra brochire. Ebrem ya mma ye me yire ho ade. Ebinum kra de omo se Alice ena ebrem sika. Enti me nko a na che se me de minister Masi na me yire nua na ebrem sika e de ye me yire ho ade.
Oh. No enam krobem.
Dabi se sampisa mo gima ni mo nyam free me nsam. Enya sa.
Asem be na wo ken.
Ana de be makatache de manyina dui. Obi na sese oso mbe ma medwunso.
Oh.
Enya hwe me amepem sika me ye ready a me baba ye no ho ade.
Oh, aso. Asem me cha na me. Na Mary, ene wo. Nipa na ya ka asem.
Ene ye kan say ye wi amfa me nkosi dwa so na monton.
Oh, da bi nya ne sa aso. Asem we dey asem.
Shut up. Oh, tum.
Ah.
Da bi say me say ne de me ntumi o.
Asem asem wo kan say ya na nkwayi.
Mase na disika fi abrochire e bra me say me nya me yire ho ade.
Oh, aso.
Da me suma ye kwado ntonti na maje na me de akoye na me no ase.
na you say me ana say a China dey asem nenam. Say ye ne one na tina.
Me na me ko kan. Me na me dey asem no ko e ko kan.
Na asem okay dey so obi anim ho hwe. Na dey.
Nipa so hu enti ye na asem no pie ye.
Oh, ase ujai sana. Say ye hunu da ye de be ye you know na say also anime ya me frɛ no.
Me say we me pede to empede no a me hia ne sika, me hia mo bia sika, me amepem sika. Me ye ready a me ya kwala no ho ade.
Oh,
so me nya bi na mba be fam ade am fam ade nko.
Aso na dey bi.
Oh, shut up.
Asem bi esi ana. Na ansam de na ekoso yi.
Asem wesi ni say edimwase am nam krom ha de gumi no me ntimi.
Oh, enkasa. Why na betimi asori akogu anim ase. Nti ne wo ye nyina. Ye betimi asan afiri wachi akogu anim ase. Ama na ye.
Nti de na asem ne pie.
Oh, ase me nya sa.
Me na echi wo ne kan.
Enya hwe.
Na nam krom asem ase na bem sa.
Nipa din say ye de na.
Me amepem sika.
Me sro ase wo me pa cho.
Kumasi Yonkor nyakra ena dankwa. Sisa wa huwa kwa hudo bebre. Tisabu son kutra uni husu. Iti show.
You don't want to go
I'm very sorry.
All right, then. In fact, I really have to be going. I'll see you later.
Sebenku